All right, guys, we have our new light in the location we want. Remove the old one. Have a wire here. I'm going to feed this wire through the light fixture. Alright. And let's see, I need my clamp. Yep. And 2 screws. Should be 2 long screws. Not easy with one hand. Let me see. Alright, get the drill. Snug them down. Alright, back on the heel. Got a nut on there. We're going to put a screw right there and a screw right there. Okay. 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 Alright. So now we're going to get our main piece. Alright, hold that. Let's see, we got some push connectors. We're going to take our ground, push our ground in. Our white for our neutral. And then we're going to push in our black for our hot. All right. Let's see what we got. Wires back in there. Another screw. Under the coffee pot. That was great. What's Alright, so we got that hooked up. There you go, that's working. It's on the light switch. Put our cover back on. Let's see here. Just pops in there. A little clip. And there you go. That's how you install a kitchen under the sink light there. Thank you, like, and subscribe.